What is SuperIR? SuperIR uses a unique neural network algorithm which allows the camera to spot patterns in the data of images taken. It uses a self-learning process to improve over time, recognizing more details than in the original, giving you exceptionally high-resolution images. The image is enhanced automatically by 4 times more pixels and in real time at 25 Hz. No need to transfer images to laptops or use other software to upgrade. It's all done on the camera for you. The result is reduced noise and much sharper image edges. Upgrade your toolbox with HIKMICRO SuperIR, crystal clear thermal images for smarter, faster maintenance decisions.